Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a test. Now I had a message off somebody saying, have you tried the custom Micron V2 twin cup power? Now I cracked up when I first seen this message, but I'm going to give it a go today for you guys and we'll see if we can get this thing to work with twin cups. Now if you've not seen the custom Micron, it is a side feed airbrush and you have your cup to the side and you've got a blanking plate on this side. So usually you put your paint in that cup and you crack on an airbrush. Now the twin cup version is basically putting another cup on the side, so you are getting the shotgun style custom Micron. So what we'll do is we'll chuck the airline on it. I'm going to drop some water in and I'm just going to do a little bubble back test for a start, just to see if this does bubble back to both cups, and we're getting bubble back on both, so we are getting water coming out of both cups at the same time. I'm just going to empty this, see if it empties out, and the water seems to be going down exactly the same. The left cups, they're both emptied at the same time, so it's passed the water test. I've got two colours. We'll chuck one colour in it first and then I'm going to try a yellow and then like a pink in this side and see if we can get an intermix on the way through. So we'll drop a bit of yellow in. Now I'll drop a bit of yellow in both cups, so you've got twin yellow if that is picking that up in both of them cups, and it performs like the Micron should. So the bonus with the twin cup is you can paint for quite a while if you're using one colour, because you can fill two cups up at the same time. But there's no difference in spraying, it is exactly the same what you'd expect from the Micron. Great trigger response, and it seems to empty the cups identical. Right, so we're going to chuck some pink in this cup. That one's quite thick, so we'll just give that a little mix with some water, and we're going to yellow this side and we'll see what happens. Now we've got mainly pink coming through. Yeah, it's pulling the pink through first, I think, because that one's a little bit thinner. But we'll just keep spraying until we get some other style of colour coming out of this brush. Still pulling the pink through. And now we're getting the intermix. It's just starting to pull that one through on the yellow. So I think it was because I'd thinned that one down. And now we've got the intermix, guys. So it will intermix your colours for you as you spray. As you can see that now we've got the intermix with the twin cup, which is quite cool. So it does work. And it absolutely performs exactly the same, and you get a really cool intermix. So pretty cool idea, because you can just drop your colours in and just get some really funky colour mixes on the way through, and it's quite consistent with them colour mix. Now we're pulling the pink more through again. But it works. So the message I've got saying give it a try. The twin cup V2 custom Micron works, guys. So if you've got a second cup, give it a whirl. You can get some funky colour transitions through it. We'll try another colour. We're going to drop a bit of blue in with this as well. Let's give that a bit of a back mix. We're still pulling through. Yeah, now we're pulling in the blue. Now that's mixing into like a green. This is crazy. So it's pretty cool if you do want to do some really weird and wonderful painting, guys. The custom micron twin cut works. And the brush performs exactly the same if you had one cut. It's not getting in the way anywhere. It's spot on, guys. It really is. So that's my little demo on the Iwata Custom Micron V2 Twin Cut Power. It works. You can get some really funky colour changes with it. Just keep mixing your paints up and it starts to pull them through eventually and intermix them, and you get your colour changes as you're going along. So if you're doing a bit of abstracty type work and want to get some real weird colours down, it works, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little video on the Custom Micron. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more up and coming videos on Intermix Custom Paint, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.